Good morning friends. Here we are demonstrating the repair of a type 2 slap lesion. The bony bed is prepared. The superior labrum anterior and posterior to the biceps will be repaired by a single anchor on the posterior aspect of the biceps anchor. These days we put more attention on the posterior aspect. Here we are using a port of Wilmington to put an anchor on the posterior superior aspect of the superior labrum, and here we will be inserting an all suture anchor posterior superior aspect of the superior labrum. Now this is an all suture anchor 1.3 millimeter in size, and it's a very low profile anchor, and it is very particularly suited for repair of these kind of slap lesions. Once we remove this trocar, we are left with two sutures, and in this particular video we will be demonstrating the use of Nevazier portal for repair of these kind of lesions. So here we are using a penetrating suture grasper through the Nevazier portal, and by Nevazier portal we will usually pass our penetrating suture grasper through the posterior superior aspect of the anchor, and we'll just grab one of the suture limbs, and then we will be repairing the superior labrum over this area. So once we will just have to pick up both the threads, and usually we'll try to put our knot on the posterior superior aspect of the labrum. So here we are just visualizing the biceps anchor, we are inserting the cannula, and the cannula is shifted on the posterior superior aspect of the biceps, and usually the knot is tied. We usually take a note not to make a very bulky knot in this area, and we'll try to keep the knot on the posterior aspect of the superior labrum so that it does not become prominent and causes internal impingement kind of phenomenon. So we will not use more knots, only 2 to 3 knots are usually sufficient in these cases. Once these knots are tied, we'll just evaluate the other injuries of the shoulder. Usually this injury is associated with the Bankart lesion of the shoulder, and if there is any Bankart lesion, we usually repair the Bankart lesion as well. So once we are done with the procedure, we'll just do the Bankart repair, and we'll just see how is the strong repair, and usually in the end there should be a very strong repair of the biceps anchor. So that is a very important thing, that this is a very nice repair of the superior labrum that is seen. Thank you.